Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can integrate Google Drive with your WordPress website. So first of all, let me go in website dashboard and then scroll down, go to plugin sections, click on add plugin. And here you can type Google Drive. Then you will see different plugins. Scroll down and here you can see this one, 8,000 plus active installations. So you can install this plugin. And after that, activate the plugin. So after that, scroll down. So these are the steps that you need to follow. So first of all, you need to connect your account. Scroll down and click on add new account. Let me select email. Scroll down, click on continue button. So now account is linked. Now the next step is you can go back to the file browser. So here you can see these are the files that are available in Google Drive. And after that you can go to module builder. Click on add new shortcode. Then here you can see these are the pro version and you can add a gallery using free version. So go here and you can include all files and folders. Then apply filter, show files, show folders. So I want to display only files. You can also filter extensions that you want to enable, such as PNG, JPG. Then here is advanced. You can adjust width and height for the container. After that, click on save changes. So now if you want to embed, then you can click here, copy shortcode. Now let's go back to a page. So let me add a new page, Google Drive, and then add here shortcode. Then click on publish button. So now let's view this page on the front side. Now let's click on my drive. So here you can see these are the images that are available.